Look, here are Winnie and Wendy. Winnie waves at us. You can wave back. Winnie and Wendy are going to teach us more about the W phonic. Put your thumbs together and your hands apart. Can you see the W phonic? What a wonderful week in the woods on the west side of the water.
I wonder how much money I would earn if I sell my honey to use on a waffle with whipped cream.
Winnie walks to his wood cabin.
But wait, I just want to taste a wee bit more.
He sits on the wooden roof with his jar of honey.
Oh, Winnie, why are you sitting on the roof? I heard you are talking about your honey. Would you like to sell it? I wonder what it will be worth. We must do some research. But wait, I have a wonderful idea. Meet me at the window of the computer shop before the weather starts to change.
Off they go. Winnie wiggles through the window. He switches on the computer and waits for Wikipedia to appear.
How much would honey be worth if you sell it to use on waffles with whipped cream?
Winnie was just watching the screen for an answer when he saw Wendy on the screen.
Wendy, what are you doing inside this computer? And who on earth are all those people with you?
Winnie stands and wonders.
Winnie, we are watching you with this webcam. And these are my best friends. They are all characters from the fairy tale Peter Pan. They wanted to meet you.
Wendy explains.
Wow, Wendy, I think all that new words are starting to make my head a bit wobbly. I am so happy to see all those characters from your story. Can they find an answer to our honey problem within the computer?
Winnie waves and winks. Suddenly, Wendy and her friends disappear to make way for rows and rows of numbers. Winnie does not understand anything at all and decides to stick to what he knows best. from the library. There are books about the wonders of the world, weddings, and wine.
Wow, Wendy, I wish we can stay here for the whole weekend. I will walk through every row to find the perfect book.
I think this is just the book to fill your wallet, Winnie. It tells you what, when, where, and why you should start selling honey. Wow! I wish I was you.
Wendy starts to read the book before they went to put it into practice. Winnie and Wendy went to Waregem in Netherlands.
Oh wow, Wendy, I wanted to show you my friend Piglet. He's also one of my story's characters, but this wind is way too wild. We will not be able to sell any honey here or in Belgium for their famous waffles. We must work on another plan.
Winnie and Piglet can't even walk in this wind.
Oh my word, Winnie! The wave of the wind almost knocked me over. I think this windmill is on the perfect spot. But we must rather forget about what the honey is worth and walk back to our wooden cabin. Or we could fly.
Wendy is a bit scared. Winnie waves at Piglet. They fly away from Waregem in a strong, wild wind.
Wendy, this is wonderful. What I've realized is that life is a journey to be experienced. Don't worry too much about our honey problem. We can watch the wonders of the world any day together again.
Winnie is so excited.
Home, sweet home. I know exactly what to do with the honey. I want to give it away for all the characters that want to visit us in our wood cabin. I want to pay it forward. Do you know that word, Wendy?
Winnie feels very proud.
Yes, Winnie, that is wonderful. You want to give something to someone without expecting anything back. That will motivate that person to also give or do something for someone else. And hopefully a lot of people will try to be there for one another. You are a bear with a golden heart.
Wendy answers. Wendy wanders around telling all their friends about the new plan. She makes a flag with the words, "Welcome." Wendy watches the flag from inside the window and wonders how many friends will come to visit.
I can't wait to see all the characters from my story.
She is so excited.
This is the best plan ever. I just want to take one last bite before I wave the honey goodbye. I promise.
Winnie laughs. All the people in the woods are so grateful that Winnie wants to give the honey away. They clap their hands. It can be heard over the mountains. Small w phonic. Start at the dot. Go down, up, down, up. Capital W phonic. Start at the dot, go all the way down, up, down, and up again. Remember the sharp corners. The W phonic is also known as the W. Did you know that? My wish for you is to pay it forward to all your friends so that you can be paid back in the long run. Not with things, but with lots of love from all the people around you.